Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the another brand new video, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can enter emojis in your Mac. Okay, so doesn't matter wherever you are typing, you just need to press and hold your control plus command plus space bar keys, and this emoji picker will be open up, and you can choose any emojis you want to type. Okay, so it will be appear like this, and yes, you can choose from all this lot of emojis, as many as you want. Okay, here are a lot of collection of emojis, and you can insert any of them. And yes, you can also copy and paste these emojis just like any other characters. Okay, and if you want this emoji bar to forever appeared and don't want to space this command control space bar keys every time, then one thing you can do is just press command plus space bar, and your spotlight search will appear, and type keyboard over there. Sorry, keyboard, and keyboard settings will appear in preferences tab, and just click here. If it's not already selected, just click here, show keyboard and emoji viewers in menu bar. So as soon as you click check this, and this icon in your tab bar will appear. Okay, now close this, and now you can choose from this icon also. Just click on the icon and choose show emoji and symbols. Okay, so now all the emojis and symbols will appear here, and you can double click on any icon and you can type it. So every time you don't need to press command control and space bar key, and this will remain opened. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you like my work, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit like on this video. Thank you for watching.